Hey Roses, it's Olena from Olena Roseanne, and for today's video I have an unboxing. So if you want to see what's in this box, stay tuned and go ahead and subscribe now and we'll see what we have. Like I said, we will be doing an unboxing, and I have a nice little care package here from Mella'Ninn Complex. Now I have opened the top, but I haven't looked inside. I do have an idea what I got in here, but I don't know exactly what's in here until I actually look inside. So here it is. It's a pretty heavy box, and on the top it says, "Thanks for your support, love, Mella'Ninn Complex, DMA Cosmetics," and it says, "We appreciate your business." Everything is nicely wrapped in here securely. Okay, it says the BerriLiscious line, which is her new line, and it's a deep penetrating milkshake thick conditioner. What a description. Milkshake thick. I love that. It says it's used to detangle, retain moisture, revitalize curls, and retain length. Love it that she says it's milkshake thick because this looks like a strawberry milkshake. And I love strawberries. This is the BerriLiscious Co-Wash, which is an 8-ounce container. What's interesting about me, you guys, is I have never tried any co-wash from any line yet. Let me backtrack. There might be a few years back that possibly I may have if it was included in the curl box. But I also have the BerriLiscious Leave-In, which comes in an 8-ounce container. Now I love how she seals everything. You don't have to worry about anything spilling out of this. The way everything was packaged in here, nothing's falling out nowhere. So I really appreciate that, because it ain't nothing nice to get a package and your contents is spilled out everywhere in the box. Ain't nobody going for that. So those are from the new line, and I will actually be using that within the next couple days on my next wash day. So stay tuned for that. She's extended her makeup line. Custom matched mineral mica souffle foundation. The shade I got is cinnamon 5, okay, and it comes in a 1.2-ounce jar, and she included the applicators. So this is what I ordered. So we have the triangle squares right there. We have like a powder puff. Yeah, puff. Y'all, when I said that, I was thinking of powder puff girls. Is that who they were called? Whatever. Anyway, I gotta open this because you know when you're ordering something online, it's super hard to get the right shade. So it was hard, y'all. I gave her the choices I thought I would be, and she communicated right on back and told me what would be good for a summer shade and even a winter shade. So that was highly helpful. So I appreciate that. So as you can see, this is in here secure, okay? Ain't nothing getting out. Here we have the puff triangles. That was nice of her to include those. I have quite a number of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 possibly, looks like. And this is the foundation. Now what's really nice about this is the jar it's in, you guys. It just makes me think I'm getting some high-end makeup. And for the price of it, yeah, I would say I will tell you right now, I haven't had any foundation at this price yet. So this is a first for me, and we are branching out. I want to branch out this channel to include some makeup looks. You guys let me know in the comment field if that's something you're interested in seeing. I'm trying to do something else to pep up this channel, so let me know. Looking at in this light looks like it might be a right match, you know. Okay, nice. Do I want to try some right now? We'll wait towards the end of the video, so that way if I get some on me, I'm getting ready to get on off camera anyway, so it'll be okay. So we'll go back to that. Put that right over there. Let's open this up. This is the package. They're all individually wrapped. I believe this is the lotion bar. Yeah, I believe it is. Shaped like a little flower. That's what it reminded me of. So I'll put that off to the side. Let me take a look at these soaps. This one is a triple butter formulation. Okay, this is the Mardi Gras. Look at the top of that. That's what it looks like. You know, I had to get some with some purple in it. Yeah, that smells good. It's the Oatmeal, Honeycomb, and Cinnamon. I guess this will remind me of Oatmeal a little bit. I ordered 2 soaps and a lotion bar, and this is a lotion bar. Oh, okay. I can see how this is a lotion bar. I'm not going to take it all the way out, but I said, it smells like cocoa butter. When I rub it on my finger, it's like I put lotion or a shea butter or something on the tip of my finger. Oh, so this is going to be nice. You know, just rub it on your arms, rub it on your legs. I like the concept of this. Okay, so in the last item, wait, hold on. I did order the Blood Orange Sage Facial Toner. This is something else in that paper. So, Rosemary Sage Citrus Toner. Yeah. So, and I ordered Blood Orange Sage. But we'll see. So, the other thing she sent me was Activated Charcoal Aloe HT2 Body Bar. This, I have tried this before. If you see my previous video from showing my Melanin Complex unboxings, or one of my unboxings, I have ordered the Lavender Body Bar before, used it up, and enjoyed it. So I'm happy to get that. So anyway, thank you, Melanin Complex, for everything sent. I am going to try everything. These will all be separate videos, especially with my BerriLiscious line of hair products. We're going to try that for a wash day. That will be a video. I will probably do a review on the soaps I received, and it will either be here on YouTube or on my blog, OlenaRoseanne.com. And I will be trying out the this foundation. This I can't wait to try. And you know what? While we're here, let me go ahead and try out a little bit just on my hands. Okay, guys, pay attention. Okay, here we go. So, wonder how that is for a match. I think it looks good. This might be medium to full coverage, actually. I have freckles on my hands, and it's covered up the freckles. Okay, so yeah, I think I got a good match, you guys. Just off my hand. So we will see. That will be another video. Anyway, if you've watched this video this long, go ahead and subscribe. Leave me a comment, and make sure you check out Mella'Ninn Complex. And she always has new things, non-stop. So check her out. I'll go ahead and leave her information in the description box. And other than that, I will talk to you later, roses. Bye.